Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are students
Waalaikumsalam
from
warahmatullahi
Polytechnic
wabarakatuh.
Batam, and today we are honored to present our research project. Our study focus on one of the most vital sectors in technology today, healthcare IoT. Our title is Unaffordable Internet of Things Solution for Health Monitoring Utilizing ESP32 Technology. I am Bima Pratama, and I am presenting today with my team, Azumar Bazri, Alvarian, Giano, and Luki. Together, we have worked on integrating hardware and software to create solution that could potential. So let's start with the background of this research. So first, research topic. Our research is deeply rooted in a study conducted by experts at Al-Marghib University and Bani Walid University in Libya, which was published in the African Journal of Advanced Pure and Applied Science. We chose to adapt and present this specific study because it addresses a global challenge, making healthcare technology accessible and affordable for everyone, not just for those in high-end hospitals. And next, so here is the problem. This research is based on the following problem. Now, why is this research critical? We have identified three major problems. So first is the phenomenon gap. In many traditional settings, healthcare still depends on physical presence. Doctors must manually visit patients, which creates a massive time lag. This delay can be dangerous during emergencies. And second, access challenge, especially for us in an archipelagic region or remote areas. Visiting a clinic involves high cost and long travel times. We need a bridge to close this distance. And three, security risks. Many people are afraid of IoT because the of data privacy. In this research, we also acknowledge that as we move to digital monitoring and we move ensure the system is secure from hacking to protect patient confidentially. And next will be explained by Luki.
Okay, next is objectives and research question. To solve these gaps, our objective is twofold. First, we want to design a system that is characterized by low cost. We want to prove that you don't need expensive machines to get accurate vital signs. Second, we want to transfer parameters like temperature, heart rate, and oxygen to a real-time interface. Our research question focus on the technical feasibility. First, how effectively can we integrate the LM35 and MAX 3010 to sensor with an ESP32? Second, and can the Blink platform provide a reliable, like free, expensive for doctors to make remote diagnosis?
Okay, uh, novelty, this research future. Um, this is the heart of our novelty. Uh, While many projects use the standard Arduino, we decided to utilizes the ESP32 board. Why? Because the ESP32 is a beast the term of performance. It adds integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, large memory, and dual core processor. Um, I'll add a very low price point. Um, additionally, our the new contribution is the focus on moral energy by making the device wearable and mobile. We allow patients to stay at home with their loved one instead the being confined to a hospital bed. This psychological boost is um, just the important as the medicine they take.
Okay, our theoretical approach follows as a three-stage architecture. The first sensor or input. This acts as the sensory organs of our system, detecting physical signals from the human body. Second, data processing. The ESP32 acts as the brain, processing those raw signal into digital data. Third, data transmission. Using wireless networks, this data travel to the cloud. Uh, this lines with modern theories of remote and mobile health care, where the location of the doctor and patient no longer matters.
Okay. The slide is methodology and testing. For our methodology, we just built the device. We tested it rigorously. The first is hardware. We use LM35 for temperature, and also we use Max 30102 for pulse oximeter. And the software, everything was coded in Arduino IDE, Visual Code, and Building. And the last experimental testing. We test two people. The first people, we the first person was healthy individual to set our baseline, and person number two was a patient with pneumonia symptoms.
Okay, next is title alternatives and future scope. Based on our findings, we propose several titles for future development, such as development of a low-cost IoT healthcare monitor. This emphasizes our focus on the affordable aspect of the technology, ensuring that its research remains relevant for mass implementation in the future. To conclude this project, proves the IoT technology specifically using the ESP32 can provide a high performing, low cost solution for remote health monitoring. It saves time, reduces costs, and improves patient comfort. Thank you for your attention. If we have any mistake, we want to say sorry. Thank you.